How to convert PDF to CSV file. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the search bar, type Zamzer and hit Enter. Click on the official Zamzer website. Once you're in, tap Choose Files and upload the PDF file you want to convert. Choose Convert to and select CSV as the output format. Click Convert Now. Wait a moment while the file processes. Once it's done, click Download and save the file whenever you like. And that's how you convert a PDF to a CSV file. Subscribe for more video like this.